Don't let the rain pull you down. He will lift you up,
Cover all your pain.
even in the rain. Thank Him for His love. Lord, send the rain, cleanse and make us free. Trust in You to carry us through. Let the rain always remind us of You, that Your love will forever be true.
With clouds in the sky and the rain coming down, this rain is His love washing you. Just look up and thank Him for the rain that's coming down from the Father above.
Lord, send the rain, cleanse and make us free. Trusting You to carry us through. Let the rain always remind us of You,
That your love
will forever be true. Let the rain wash you,
lift you up to Him,
making your life
full of joy and truth.
then to Him all the praises you'll give.